Greetings! In anticipation of my upcoming book release, I'm doing a video a day for the week leading up to the release. Today we're doing something a bit different. I like to cook, I like to eat. I like to cook and then eat what I cooked. I also particularly enjoy spicy meals, especially Cajun. So in celebration of my upcoming book launch, Castle and Coyote, November 13th, I am going to give you the recipe for Sam Castle's favorite dish. And I'll show you how to make it. Yay! Really, it's just an excuse to make one of my favorite meals. Sam Castle is from Texas, and she appreciates some good old down-home southern cooking. I mean, who doesn't? So without further ado, let's turn up the heat for Sam Castle's personal jambalaya recipe, Sambalaya. So here are all our delicious ingredients. Yum, yum, yum. We grab our trusty knife. Shiny. You make sure your meat is dead before you cut it. Yep, that's dead. All right, we're gonna chop, 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 chop. I'm just really fast. And then I tend to quarter these, whatever. And the bacon, and this knife. No, better knife, much better. And then wash that gross raw meat off your hands. All right, we drizzle in the olive oil. Drizzle, drizzle. And then we're gonna dump in our delicious smoked turkey sausage is what I use for this, but you can use like andouille, hot links, whatever. Slide in the bacon. It doesn't have to be cut perfectly because I mean it's bacon, it doesn't matter. Yum, yum. And we turn it on medium/medium high, depending on your burner. All right, we're gonna cut up our bell pepper right now, get all those gross seeds out, because those oils make you burpy and stuff. And then I'm going to dice it up for maximum crunch-tasticness. And then the same thing with our roasted red peppers. Chop, chop, chop. Ooh, colorful. Aren't they beautiful? And then we wash the parsley. Take about a third of the bunch, chop that junk off, then chop that junk up. Voila! Want it about this consistency? Doesn't really matter though. I put in 2 cans of these tomatoes and 1 of these little sweet corn thingies for maximum veggies. So here's our garlic. This one, it counts as 1 clove, okay? I love garlic. All right, here's my lovely garlic press. So we want to peel the garlic first. So you crush it with your Herculean strength, and you peel them all. Ta-da! You chop off the gross top endy bits. And you put them in the press, and this is how you get yummy minced garlic with ease. I used to have to do this by hand until I decided it was worth investing in one of these things. Look at, isn't this so satisfying? Crush it. Yes, juicy. All right, disgusting onion. I hate onions. At least I wasn't wearing mascara during the filming with this, so I didn't have black junk running down my face. So we chop and we peel. Peel, peel, peel. Peeling the onion. Alright, I'm going to do vertical cuts, and then I'm going to turn it and do more vertical cuts. And then I'm going to just chop it up into little diced pieces like so by holding on to the little stemmy bit. That is a technical term. Ta-da! Alright, I got cooked shrimp because I don't like dealing with raw shrimp. And I can't find them tail off, so whatever. Just peel it off when you're eating it. Doesn't have to be fancy. So I'm gonna make cornbread to go with this. So I'm gonna set my oven right now so it's ready to go once I get that jambalaya cooking. Alright, that meat looks ready for some veggies. So here we go. Our beautiful peppers. Go green and yellow. And the roasted reds, yum, 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 get all of them in there, everything, yummy. Mix it up, mix, 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 mix. And the onions, smelly, smelly, but so good. Scrape, scrape, okay. And then the corn, which I steamed ahead of time, it just adds a little sweet crunch. Mix, 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 mix it all together, yes. Look how colorful, look how beautiful and colorful it is. All right, we're gonna make it more colorful by adding some of these. And like I said, I added 2 of these cans actually. Stir, 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 stir. Lovely. A little more color now. Getting a little bit stewy. Alright, now we're gonna add all our seasonings. So the garlic and the parsley. Put all that in there. Stir it up. Oregano! You can be generous with seasonings too. I tend to go overboard, whatever. I like flavor, okay? This is the celery salt, because I didn't want to add actual celery, because I didn't think the texture would necessarily match what I was going for here. And a lot of pepper. More pepper. More pepper. More pepper. And some Creole seasoning. This stuff is great. It's great on everything. Worcestershire sauce. Worcheshtereshetechishire sauce. Whatever, it's delicious. Whatever the heck it is. Alright, I use better than bouillon instead of chicken broth because I have to control the amount of chickenness. So I just did plain water and then a big old glob of better than bouillon, like so. Alright, time for my favorite, Tabasco. A little bit of Tabasco, just a little dash. A couple more dashes, you know, maybe a couple more dashes. And then just, you know, keep going. It's Tabasco. A couple more. There we go. And here is our long grain white rice because it cooks to the perfect consistency. Yum. I added a little bit more than this because I just kind of eyeballed the liquid level in here. Honestly, jambalaya is a very forgiving dish to make, so just throw in whatever, you know? So we covered that and let it simmer so the rice can cook. Cozy. Now I'm going to work on the cornbread. Spray, spray, spray. We don't want it sticking. I use gluten-free mix because I hate gluten. Gluten hates me. 1 egg. Blah. And a little bit of vegetable oil. And some milk. I don't remember how much. Anyway, I use plant milk. Then we mix, 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 mix. Still mixing. All right. We're gonna glob it into the little glob containers where the globs will then solidify because science and turn into some delicious stuff known as cornbread. Stick it in the oven for some amount of time that I can't remember. I'll probably put it on the screen. All right, meanwhile, look at our jambalaya all cooked up and delicious. Oh yes. Couple of gigantic scoops into a bowl. And the cornbread's ready. Look how fast that was. That was like 20 seconds. Turn off the oven. Alright, pop out a little thing of cornbread. Stick it in the bowl because they're great together. And there is our delicious, yummy Sambalaya and cornbread dish. It look and smell delish. This was fun to make and will be even more fun to eat. So thank you for joining me for making some Sambalaya. And if you're of age, eat it Sam style, chased with a shot of whiskey. Join me tomorrow for the next Castle and Coyote flavored video. And don't forget about my giveaway. One lucky person can win an ebook copy of Castle and Coyote when it comes out. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel that you're watching right now. And then click the link in the description to go subscribe to my monthly newsletter. That's it, you're in the running. The winner will be announced on the video that I post on launch day, which is Tuesday, November 13th. See you tomorrow. Bye!